Have you ever tried to take a beautiful photo at night, only to have it ruined by streaks and weird blobs of glare from a bright light? That's lens flare, and it's a notoriously difficult problem to fix cleanly. Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest research. AI tools have gotten pretty good at removing flare, but they have a huge weakness. They work well when the entire light source is in the photo, but if that light is partially or completely off-screen, they fail spectacularly. As you can see, this leaves behind very noticeable and ugly artifacts. This is the exact problem a new paper called LightsOut aims to solve with a really clever approach. Instead of just trying to erase the flare from the original photo, it first asks, what's missing from this picture? The system works in three main stages. First, it acts like a detective. By analyzing the shape and direction of the flare, a special module predicts the exact location, size, and brightness of the light source, even if it's completely outside the frame. Next comes the magic, a process called outpainting. Using a powerful AI image generator, it actually extends the photo's borders. It paints in the missing background and, most importantly, generates the full, complete light source that it predicted in the first step. With this new, larger image created, it moves to the final stage. It simply hands this completed image over to an existing, off-the-shelf flare removal tool. And the results are fantastic. Because the flare removal tool can now see the full story of where the light is coming from, it can do its job almost perfectly. In these comparisons, you can see how the photos processed with the LightsOut method are significantly cleaner and more realistic. This doesn't just make for prettier pictures, it has real-world applications. It can help other AIs, like object detectors, to see things that were previously hidden by flare, which is critical for systems like self-driving cars that need to navigate at night. So, to recap the important points, the researchers realized the biggest problem for flare removal is missing information about the light source. Their solution, LightsOut, is a pre-processing step that cleverly generates this missing information using a diffusion AI. This effectively acts as a booster pack for existing tools, dramatically improving their performance without needing to be retrained. This approach of using generative AI to fill in the blanks for other, more specialized AIs is a powerful idea. In the future, this tech could be built right into our smartphone cameras, giving us perfect night shots every time, no matter how tricky the lighting is. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.